Today I'm going to teach you how to add shadow in Affinity Designer. This is a fantastic way to give your designs more depth and make elements stand out with a professional touch. Let's jump right in. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, you'll need to open your existing file, or you can create a new file to work with. This sets up your workspace where you'll be applying the shadow effect. Now locate the image or object you want to add a shadow to. Right-click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Rasterize. This step is important because it converts your object into a format that allows you to apply various effects, including shadows. Next, direct your attention to the right panel, particularly the Layers section. Here you'll find an option called Layer Effects. Click on it to access the Effects menu. This is where all the magic happens, giving you control over how your shadow will look and behave. You'll now see options for different shadow types. Choose whether you want to apply an inner shadow or an outer shadow, depending on the effect you're going for. For instance, click Outer Shadow. This creates a shadow that appears outside the boundaries of your object, giving it a lifted appearance. Once you've selected your shadow type, navigate to Blend Mode. Click the drop-down menu right beside it to select your preferred option. Feel free to explore the different blend modes available, as each one will give your shadow a unique interaction with the underlying layers. Now navigate to Color. Click the color picker to select your shadow color. This allows you to customize the shadow to match your design's color scheme or to create a specific mood. Next, navigate to Angle. Here you can select the angle you want to add the shadow from. This controls the direction of the light source, making your shadow appear more realistic. Now comes the fine-tuning part. Navigate to Radius, Offset, and Intensity. Use the slider from left to right to adjust these settings. The radius controls how soft or sharp the shadow edges are. The offset determines how far the shadow extends from the object, and the intensity affects how dark or light the shadow appears. Feel free to explore these settings until you achieve the look you want. Finally, you can also adjust the opacity by using the slider. This gives you control over how transparent or solid your shadow appears, adding another layer of customization to your design. And there you have it. You've successfully added a shadow to your object in Affinity Designer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.